If you are just starting out in the business world, there will be a lot of trial and error involved. There is a lot of information online on how to run your business as a beginner, but sometimes it can be difficult to put these pieces together into one cohesive plan. This video will help you understand how to manage your business, what might work for you and what might not, so that you don't make the same mistakes other beginners have made in the past. As a beginner, it's easy to get overwhelmed when it comes to managing your business. Instead of constantly searching for ways to increase revenue and profits, focus on staying organized, keeping track of customer credentials, develop strategy for social media marketing, and figure out what your ideal client would love the most. Marketing and CEO basics. Marketing is important for any business no matter what type of business it is. It is important to market your company in such a way that people are more likely to be interested in your product and service. With the help of effective marketing, you can increase the number of customers and make more profits as well. Small business versus large business. Business comes in all shapes and sizes. It's important to choose a size that corresponds with the scale of your business. A small business will require less time, money, and effort to manage than a large one would. The smaller the size of your business, the more likely it is that you'll be able to reach your goals because you will have fewer distractions. One of the most important aspects of running a business is managing your different departments. When you first start out, your key departments will likely include sales, customer service, and marketing. There are all essential pieces in the puzzle. These are all essential pieces in the puzzle that will make or break a small business. Who is your target audience? One of the most important aspects of managing your business is knowing who your target audience is. This will help you develop the type of marketing material that will resonate with people that are most likely to purchase from you. It will also help you see if there are any changes that need to be made in order to attract new customers. What's the best marketing strategy for you? Marketing strategies are typically classified into two types, direct and indirect. Direct marketing is when you get the customer to purchase your product or service, and indirect marketing is when the customer does not directly buy your product or service, but instead uses it as a side benefit. The best way to market effectively is to determine what type of strategy will be most effective for your type of business. Social media platforms and benefits. The more time you invest in your social work media, the more effective each platform will become. One of the biggest benefits of social media is it gives you a chance to interact with potential customers and clients on a much closer level than ever before. It's also important to remember that social media should be used as a tool and not as a distraction from work or your day-to-day life. At last, business plan is a major component to grow your business on the next level. Watch how to write a business plan to grow your business successfully. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos.